Assalamu alaikum. This is Ashraful Islam Shimul. My student ID is 12404051 and I am studying at the Department of Mathematics, Kumila University. I am from Sylhet. My family consists of three brothers and one sister. My father is farmer and my mother is housewife. I am dedicated to my studies and always strive to achieve my goals. At first, I want to thank my honorable teacher, Dr. Mahmudul Hassan sir, for letting me to my presentation topic. My presentation topic is array in C programming. Introduction. An array is a data structure that stores multiple values of the same types. Each value in an array is called an element. Index is used to access elements. Example, int numbers 5 equal 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Features of array. Fixed size. Size cannot be changed after declaration. Same type elements. All elements must have the same data type. Index access. Index starts from 0. Continuous memory. Elements stored sequentially in memory. Types of array. One-dimensional array. Linear sequence of elements. Example, int marks 5. Two-dimensional array. Row and column structure. Example, int matrix 3 3. Multi-dimensional array. 3D, 4D, etc. for advanced application. Array operation. Initialization. Int arrange 5 equal 1 2 3 4 5. Access elements. Printf percentage of d arrange 0 output 1. Update elements arrange 2 equal 10. Traversal use loops to access all elements. Example, finding the sum of 1D array elements. Advantage, simple and easy to use, efficient for index access, supports iteration using loops. Disadvantage, fixed size, memory was to overflow, only same type elements, insertion or declaration too costly, requires shifting elements. Conclusion, array is basic but powerful data structure. In C programming, arrays are mainly used to store multiple data values. Advantage, data structure like list, stack, queens are often built on arrays. Thank you.